Maintaining a lush green lawn can be a time-consuming task, but what if I told you there was a way to make it effortless? That's right, we're talking about automatic robotic lawnmowers. Today we're going to show you one of the best robotic lawnmowers that will leave your lawn looking perfect without any effort from you. From sensors that detect obstacles to smart mapping technology, this robotic lawnmower is equipped with the latest technology to make lawn care a breeze. Say goodbye to hours spent pushing a heavy mower and hello to more free time to enjoy your beautiful lawn. Be sure to check out the link in the video description below for the best price on the robotic lawnmower mentioned in this video. So without further ado, let's dive in.